Hello, thanks for watching another PAPERWERKS video. Today we're going to be talking about inquiries, how fast we can get rid of them. First, I want to ask you guys to leave a thumbs up on the video, subscribe to the channel, leave comments on the video. Also, we're going to leave the credit monitoring link that we use to clear people's reports, inquiries, negatives. You guys can sign up for that. Text over your login info to 773-373-9184. You would text your username, password, last four of social. We'll give you a quote as far as time period, price, uh, as far as the, whatever the deletion may be. So here we're looking at a login for a client that we did a few months back on their TransUnion. As you can see, they have about 200 inquiries. So this particular file, I think we started or we sent out on the 27th. And I think the dispute started around the 1st of November. So we got an indication from the credit bureau that was a change around about the 5th. And so as you can see here, 52 inquiries came off. So what we do is try to stagger out, send them out, and the disputes like once a week. So we didn't want to send all 200 inquiries at one time. So we also sent out another dispute, and so the client wanted to apply to a credit union, so they wanted to move faster. So we sent out another dispute. It was received by the credit bureaus around the 12th of November, and so we got an indication that the report had updated. So we went to the 16th to check it out. So as you can see, this particular client went from 200 inquiries to 3 inquiries within a couple of weeks. So now we're going to take a look at the Equifax credit report, which I believe had maybe 90 inquiries. Okay, so let's switch to Equifax and see what we got here. Because I believe the same thing happened. We got the alert that this particular credit bureau started or received a dispute around the 1st. So first we want to see what we had in the beginning. So we'll look at, so we had 91 inquiries. Like I said, we sent this out maybe around the 27th. It was received around the 1st of November. So we have 91 here. So I think it updated. We got a alert that there was a change. Let's see, was the first change around the 5th. So as you can see, we went from 91 to 69 inquiries, so about 22. So like I said, we usually try to stagger the inquiries out, but this guy wanted to move a little bit faster. So we got another indication on the 16th, about 11 days later. So a few more were removed. And then we got our last one, I believe we got from the credit bureau on the 26th. So as you can see, this particular client went from 91 to 13. there were about 78 inquiries removed. We found out the client was applying before we finished, so we had to tell them to stop. So we went back and sent out one more dispute, and we updated it. And so this guy went from, actually he had like 94 inquiries because he made a few more. But anyway, we went down to 8 inquiries for Equifax. So we're going to take a look at his Experian. He didn't keep his paid credit monitoring service, so we could have did it on one credit monitoring site. So let's look at Experian. Okay, so we're over at Experian. So this is the individual's report. The last time they updated before we got it, which was around the 24th, they had 90 inquiries. So, like I said, we sent this out around the 27th. We had to do some prelim work before we did the disputing, but because we also cleaned about 12 different reports, because people ask, will certain things come back? So we make sure we clear multiple reports, reports that the credit bureaus may pull from. So we got an indication on, I think, the 6th of November, there was a change. So let's see if we can go to that right quick. Let's see. So we go to the 6th and see what has changed. So we go down and we see that 39 inquiries have been removed. So like I said previously, we stagger them out. We don't send them all at the same time unless it's an emergency. So we had another update on the 16th. See if we can get that really quick. Like I said, the as far as this particular report or this client, I think we did over 350 inquiries. So people ask, can you do mines, or can you do 50? Can you do 40? We have a couple of videos where we did 40. We've done higher amounts, like 80 or 100, but this one, I guess this will prove to people that it can be removed no matter what you have, how many inquiries. So let's see. So on November 16th, it says you have 0 inquiries. So, you know, I've had people call, and if you're listening, I've had a couple of people call with 150, almost 200 inquiries. A guy from Hawaii. Give me a call if you haven't got it done. So that pretty much concludes this video. Like I said, you can go to our website, see other work we've done, credit repair, funding. We do business credit. Or you can hit the PAPERWERKS word on the video and go see all our videos. But again, like the video, leave comments, subscribe to the channel. If you need any services, just set up your paid monitoring service, because that's what we'll need. And we'll take a look and get back to you within 24 hours. You guys have a good one.